Thanks for joining us today for this overview from the experts at localbizguys.com, your expert partner for all things Google Business Profile. Today's topic comes from a recent article you can read at localbizguys.com titled, "How Can I Use My Google Business Profile to Highlight My Team or Staff to Potential Customers?" Let's kick things off with a question that, every single business owner asks themselves. And the answer? Well, it might just be hiding in plain sight, right there on your Google Business Profile. Okay, so we really need to change how we think about our Google profile. It is not just a digital business card. It's your digital front door. And you know what? That's the exact spot where potential customers are making a split-second decision about you. Are they going to click, or are they going to keep on scrolling? But here's the problem. For most businesses, that front door looks exactly like their competitors down the street. It's kind of impersonal, a little uninviting, and it totally fails to show off the real people and the passion behind your brand. Honestly, it's just a huge missed opportunity. And this is where we get to the good stuff. In this sea of sameness, your team, they are your greatest competitive advantage. I mean, think about it. It's the one thing your competition absolutely positively cannot copy. Your team is your secret weapon. Okay, now look at this, because the difference here is just dramatic. The generic profile on the left, it's fine, but it's totally forgettable, right? But then you look at the team-focused profile on the right, wow. It builds instant credibility, it builds trust, all because it's highlighting real expertise and a real person. It all boils down to a really simple, powerful truth. People do business with people they like and trust. So when customers can actually see the people behind the business, when they get a feel for your vibe, your expertise, they feel a connection. And that connection, that's what wins them over every single time. Okay, so that sounds great, but how do you actually do it? How do you put this into practice? Well, let's talk about the super simple free tools you already have available to you right inside your Google Business Profile. First up, your photos. And I'm begging you, please don't just post one old, dusty group picture and call it a day. No! Show your team in action. Show their professional headshots. Show them out in the community. This isn't just about putting faces online. It's about humanizing your entire operation. All right, next, let's talk about something that is a total goldmine, Google Posts. Seriously, think of these as free mini ads for your business. So many people ignore them, but they are an absolutely perfect way to showcase your staff and tell your story. And look how simple this can be. You could run a weekly employee spotlight post, celebrate when someone on your team gets a new certification, introduce your new hires. The big thing here, the key, is just being consistent. Keeping that profile fresh and updated tells both customers and Google that you're on top of your game. Okay, so I want to be clear about something. Putting your team in the spotlight, it's not a one-and-done kind of fix. If you really want to make an impact, you've got to see it as an ongoing strategy, one that continuously builds this deep, unbeatable trust with your local customers. And that means we've got to go a little deeper. We're talking about describing how your awesome team delivers your services, highlighting unique things about you, like being family-owned. And, this is my favorite, when a customer mentions an employee in a review, you respond and thank them by name. It just shows you care about your team and your customers. It's so powerful. So all of this stuff is, without a doubt, incredibly effective. But let's be real for a second. It brings up a huge question for any busy owner, right? With everything else you have to do, when are you possibly going to find the time to manage all of this? The reality is you should be focused on running your business, on serving your customers. That's what you do best. Managing your online presence effectively? Well, that's a full-time job in itself. And that's exactly why having a partner like localbizguys.com can be a total game changer. We fully manage all of this, all the little details, so you can focus on your customers while we turn your profile into a lead-generating machine. And hey, to help you get started, we really want to give you something valuable. Just head on over to localbizguys.com for a free download of our guide, 7 Steps to Getting into the Google Maps 3-pack. It's packed with stuff you can use right away. So let's wrap this up. Think about it. Your team is out there every single day working so hard to make your business great. Your Google profile needs to be working just as hard to tell that story for you 24/7. Honestly, never forget that. It's the human element. It's the faces behind the logo that make all the difference in the world. That's what turns someone just casually searching online into a loyal customer, sometimes before they've even walked through your door.
So you got to ask yourself that question: is my profile working as hard as my team? I really hope this has given you a new perspective on just how powerful your Google Business Profile can be when you put your amazing team front and center. The article and its contents discussed today is linked in the description for you to read.
Listen, don't let your Google Business Profile be an afterthought. Let the experts at localbizguys.com turn it into your #1 source for new local customers. We'll manage every single detail for you. We're talking photos, posts, reviews, updates, the whole shebang, so you can get back to focusing on what you do best. Visit localbizguys.com right now to learn more and to download your free guide, 7 Steps to Getting into the 3-Pack. Again, that's localbizguys.com.